Hello, welcome to day number 2 of your 7-day fast track. What I'm going to do in this little video is I'm going to show you how to access everything that you need to complete your little assignments that are in the post. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. And the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to find, the website, obviously. We're going to find the fast track videos. The fast track videos are actually in the video library. So if you click right there, then you click on video library. Make sure you're on the silver tab. Right here, see these black list of videos? Lots of great videos for you to watch for in the future. But this week, we're going to focus on the new member fast track videos. Click there. And then I want you to watch these 3 videos right here. So once you watch the video, so when you click on there and you start watching this video, you can watch this little video, and it's coming up slow, so I'm not going to worry about showing you that. Make sure you click, did you watch this video? And once you have watched the video, you click yes, and then hit save. And then once you've done that and you go back to this page, do you see how the hyperlink changed from blue to green? And that just shows you where you are. Right here are some beginner meals for you to start with that are quick and easy. But I also want you to access something that is right here. See, before these fast track videos, we had something called the daily doses. They were 26 short little videos by Travis, and they're still on the website for you to access if you want to. But I would focus on the fast track videos this week, and then for continued learning, I would go to the daily doses. But I want you to access these blue links right here. See these blue links? These are very important. There's some things there that you're going to want. So you're going to click on those, open them up, and see which ones you want to print for yourself so that you can have them. But this is the advanced combination chart that you're going to want. So look at those individually. And then I want you to confirm your email and your profile. So come right here, click on this purple tab. And do you see right here where it says email address, and I have my email address and it says confirmed? If yours does not say confirmed, please click to confirm and you'll get an email, and then you just need to confirm it through the email. So please do that. And the other thing is, I would like for you to edit your profile. Do you see how I scrolled down just a little bit? Right here it says edit. You click edit. Once you've clicked edit, you can have your username there, your first name, your last name, your email, your journal start date. This remove all badges is if you were basically starting all over and wanted to earn all your badges over again. So you only need to do that if you are wanting to completely start over. Put in your gender, your birthday, your Shibboleth birthday, your height, and it needs to be in inches, your goal weight. If you have a goal deadline, you can put that there. Your starting weight, your other starting measurements. Please put all of those in there. I am currently in maintenance mode, but most of you are going to be clicking weight loss, okay? And then the video start date, you can basically see that in your journal. So I would make that be the same date as my journal start date. Making your profile public does not mean that it's public to the whole wide world. It just means that it's people here on Shibboleth. If you want them to be able to friend you or battle buddy you, which is basically I'm battle buddying these 3 ladies right now. So you'd want to have it your profile public if you want to do that. I don't do the coach mode, so I don't have that in there. Eat timer interval, if I wanted to mark that with some hours, I could do that. Meal countdown start date, I don't do that right now. I'm not currently a mentor on this. I'm basically a mentor to everybody. This would be if you wanted to be a mentor, if you wanted to have kind of people that you helped, you can mark that. If you want to make your email address public, you can mark that. I never recommend skipping phase 1 requirements, because that just means that you think you know everything and that nobody can teach you anything, and that is a disaster attitude. So please don't mark that. I have my little biography in here, and then I hit save. So that is how you are going to edit your profile. So please do that. And then if you will, comment on this post with a lean protein plus a fibers carb meal that you would like to eat this week. And I will see you tomorrow.